was in the shed. And I opened the window and he came along behind the chair and under, and I opened the door and I thought he was going to come in, but then I came to the window to see if he wanted to come in this way, and he decided to go in behind the table beside the barbecue and in the middle of the table and stick his head in the hostas instead, which is not quite inside, but oh well. Oh, you gonna come in? What are you doing? Hey, little beaneroo. Come in the window. Come on in. Beaneroo, are you coming in? Come in. He still has to think about it. The leaves above are sort of protecting the rain, protecting him from the rain. He may even have a little nap. Are you coming in? I have to close the window. Are you coming in? Get in here, you silly. No. You coming in? And that's a no. Oh, now he's gonna go under there. He's so cute. Finding dry spots. That's my beaneroo. Wonder if anyone will come by and he'll jump out and attack them. Because that is a possibility. Would you look at that? That's that ballsy cat. He doesn't even live here. And he's sleeping in the shed on top of the comfy pineapple chairs out of the rain. Oh. And meanwhile, Reno is over there in the Adirondack chair.
Do you think Reno cares?
Oh, are you telling me he doesn't?
Does Reno care about Mom?
You should see his ears.
Aw.
He looks like he cares.
I kind of want to go do something then.
All you gotta do is just open the door and that cat will run away.
Okay.
No, it's all good. It's all good.